Take a look, this is road to Koreatown. Before it's not so wide road. They already repair road and this road wide. You can see later Magenta Hotel, it's short time hotel. I already filming before. Oh, they already installed bridge. Take a look, pedestrian bridge. It's new, they not finished it, but it's good because it's school. Very close to the school. College of Angeles. Many children 5 p.m. here. So many. This is college. In front, you take a look, it's a cloud, maybe rain, heavy rain in the Clark, and they go to the Clark. I will show also Koreatown. I will little bit maybe, if don't have rain, I will walk in Koreatown. Yeah, it's heavy rain soon. This is Magenta Hotel. And you see road already not so wide, narrow road. Before this is road the same, only one line. Maybe in the future, maybe they will fix. You see, this is road from Angeles to Koreatown. Popular way. I think Korean tourists know this road. If turn right, it's Angeles, Koreatown. This is already starting Koreatown. So dark. Always traffic here, always. Koreatown, so heavy traffic. Massage, 1 hour, 450. This is new. Screen Golf Park. Oh, Jollibee. Open new Jollibee. Шабу ресторан. Чайный ресторан. Bridge. I already filming before here. This is already Koreatown. Halong Bay Vietnamese restaurant. Close. Oh, close. This is bakery good. Someday I will go to this bakery. Burger King, Jollibee. In front you can see Barangay Anunas outpost. It's also police, but close always. It's police station 4. Same in near Walking Street, Red Street. One. Family KTV. And now we turning to right, already to the Clark Freeport zone. You see, already in the Clark is different way, prepare, clean everywhere, good road.